You like unboxings? I got another great one from our Young Living Oil Essential Rewards. Stay with us. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Shirley with Holistic Transformations Massage, also known as Jolly, here with another great unboxing for March with our Young Living Essential Oils. I am part of Young Living's Essential Rewards, which means I am part of their membership club so I can stay in my budget. Every month I have a membership for my husband and for me. So within that budget, we are able to get stuff for our home, stuff for myself, for my husband, and for the baby. So let's just get into our unboxing for this month. So this is my husband's box here. Eco-friendly packaging, which I appreciate. So I have my Thieves house cleaner. So all I need is a capful. Thieves house cleaner is what I use for my floors, my sinks, my bathroom, my tub. I clean everything with this. And so I get one about every month or so. You use a capful for 30 capfuls of water, and it's also a great degreaser. There are great recipes on here. There's a chart on the bottle that just tells you how to use water and cleaner for different ways of using this product, like a heavy degreaser or light degreaser, using it on glass, so on and so forth. So that's that. And then this is a big hit in the house, so we're ready for this already. This is great. It goes a long way. And I do dishes 2 or 3 times a day. So this is great. It's exciting. All natural products. So I got my dish soap. And last but not least, this is my husband's order. My Thieves mints. And I still have some from before. I just want to make sure I didn't run out, because I love this. And okay, so that's my husband's Essential Rewards for March. And now let's look at mine. So we're sticking to our Nature Red. We're just finished yesterday. So this is perfect timing for our 2 bottles of Nature Red. And my floss. Can you see my floss? So, which is great. And of course, our baby wipes. So here we are, our Essential Rewards for March. My husband and I have about 100. I try to keep it under 110, maybe about 110, but no more than 110. So I think this month I spent 110 and my husband 58. So total 168 PV, which equates to $168. This is before shipping and tax, of course. Of course, there's no shipping, that's right. So with $100, when your purchase is $100 or more, this is for everyone, and every single purchase with Young Living, you get free shipping. So I did not pay shipping, but I paid for tax. So my 168 plus tax. And that's my Essential Rewards for the month. Oh, sorry. Let's put this here. And this is my Essential Rewards for the month. Our 3 wipes, which I still have one package left. So they do last a long time. My 2 bottles of Nature Red. My Thieves cleaner, my household cleaner, my dish soap, our great floss, Thieves mints, right? This is great. I already know what I want for next month, because guess who got a hold of the mascara? Guess who got a hold of the mascara and created finger paint art all over the wall and all over the couch, and make art with with my mascara. So You know, I tried to keep it. My sister was like, girl, no, that's dangerous. It's got bacteria now. It's fingers. And I'm like, oh yeah, it's your eye. Oh, I didn't want to let go of that mascara. I almost cried. Okay, I'm just gonna order another one. How about that? It's okay. No need to cry. So. Doing great with our budget, doing great with our essential rewards, very happy with our nature red juice, absolutely very happy with it. I can definitely feel a difference when I use it and I don't use it. And my cleaners, my mints, and my wipes, I did a Young Living run and I didn't have to go anywhere, just right to my door. I love that. I love being part of a membership group. So speaking of memberships, Holistic Transformations Massage also has a membership program. It's the HTM Self-Care Crew. Our membership program has different tiers and all focused on increasing your self-care practice. So if you are in search of a community or some coaching, some information, some self-care products, our Collectors Club that has a Young Living essential oil every month that you receive as part of the HTM Self-Care Crew membership club. So check out our tiers, check out the different memberships and see how you'd like to participate. Let me help you increase your self-care practice with some natural tools, with some easy things that you can do every day to feel better and reduce stress. I hope to see you on the next video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye.